Perfect. Hey beauty babes, welcome to today's vlog. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I legit have been working 11 days straight now. 11 days straight, y'all. And to make matters worse, these past 11 days that I've been working straight, I've been working 3 to 11. I'm super tired because by the time I get home it's already like midnight or like 12:30, so I can't edit. I'm legit so tired once I get home, so I really don't feel like doing anything, and please don't blame me for that because, you know, it just takes a toll on me. I told you guys in my last vlog that, you know, it stresses me out where I can't like do anything and my schedule's crazy, so I'm kind of still balancing both. Only I will get terrible lighting right now while I'm ranting away, and plus I look like I'm still asleep, which I am. Today is my Friday. It is the last day of my stretch, so I am very excited about that because I do have the next 2 days off. 2 days off doesn't compare to the last days that I've been working, but it is what it is. I still have a couple of days off. I'm actually taking a new route to work. The regular route that I always take, there's always so much traffic and I take forever to get to work, so I decided to try a new route. It is like my third time taking this route. I like it a little bit more simply because I avoid most of the traffic, but still there's cars everywhere. I have anxiety. I don't like cars. I don't even like driving, period, but I honestly have no choice. I honestly just been learning how to not blame myself too much, or how to like not be so hard on myself, because I know I feel like so guilty when I honestly don't like upload on a certain day, or I don't edit on a certain day, or like when I don't have any footage at all because like my day is just boring. So instead of me like freaking out and stressing about it and getting like major anxiety, I've been learning little by little how to like maintain that and how to kind of just be at peace, you know. It's okay, Alex, like it's okay if you don't upload, it's fine. I'm a little bit different from your just typical regular YouTuber on here. I actually have a full-time job, y'all. Like, YouTube is not my job whatsoever. I have a full-time job that I really want to keep, but of course YouTube is a big part of my life, and the reason why I do YouTube is because I like it. Like, I love filming, I love interacting with you guys. I feel so sad because I forgot my Starbucks cup that I bought, the brown one. I love that one. I keep forgetting it at work. Like, I always take it, I use it to like drink water and stuff. Like, I always forget it. And yesterday, guys, last night, I went grocery shopping after work. I legit was at Walmart till like 2, 3 in the morning. I know, right? Like, hello. But I went grocery shopping. Aren't you guys proud of me? Like, I rarely go grocery shopping like ever. I'm always eating out or something. So I'm so proud of myself that I did. Now I got food, you know. I'm doing this little healthy journey, working out, waist training. Like, who is she? And at Walmart, which is crazy because I thought only like Target had it. They had my favorite iced coffee ever. I showed you guys the iced coffee like a couple of vlogs ago. It's the chameleon like iced coffee, but I finally found the vanilla one at Walmart, which is crazy because I didn't think they would carry it. So I bought it last night, and that's what I'm drinking right now, which I love. Yes, yes. Take me deep within my feet. So I got off work. I went home and I changed into some comfy clothes. Thank God I got off work early. So I got off work maybe like 2 hours earlier than expected. I am at Ross and I am in the home section, of course. I live here, like, who am I? I don't even need anything, but I literally just come here to kind of see what I like, and I just kind of dump it in my cart, as you guys can see. So I have this Paris Hilton perfume. This is my go-to for work. I love this scent so much. Then I needed some new work shoes, so I found these. They're actually really cute and I like it because it has like the little foam thingy, so I need that. I feel like I'm being super loud, so I'm gonna whisper. And then I got this robe here because I don't own one and I feel like I do need one. This is like one of the things that I really do need, and I got it in gray. I just loved the color of it. I was legit about to get this because it's so cheap, like I mentioned, but look guys, it's stained. Should I take it or should I not? Maybe I can just wash it off, but that's not the point, okay? I wanted it to be like nice. I don't know. And we are back to the bed sheets. Like, why do I live here? Seriously, I'm like meant to be in this section. Sorry, sir, I was vlogging. I really do need white sheets because you guys know I didn't have like a fitted sheet. The ones that I used were the ones that I already previously had, but I don't have like a legit fitted sheet. I thought it was going to work initially, but now it tends to like come off, you know, because I roll around in the bed. So now we're gonna grab some fitted sheets, and I found some on sale, so we're gonna get these. Yeah, I think I need a new rug for my house. So we're gonna go ahead and see what options Ross has to offer. I mean, they do have really cute ones. Look at this. I don't know, I kind of want like a gray one. Well, this one is gray. I'm going for something like fluffy. I don't know. So the robe, a no-go. I decided not to take it simply because, I don't know. I just feel like, I don't know, it's like used and dirty, and someone like wore it and they just had like, I just can't. Look where I'm at. I'm giving this another try. Let's go see what they have. Hopefully I get better luck this time. I walk in and look, y'all. This place is full of the little white tables I've been looking for forever. You can never come to At Home and not lay down. No lie, I think At Home is like my new favorite place. Honestly, I'm gonna be coming out here a lot so that I can just like come and lay down on these comfy couches, ow, and beds that they have displayed out here. I can just come lay here like all day, every day, seriously. I'm legit about to take a nap. And I love how you're like secluded in here. Like seriously, nobody can tell that you're in here. On to the next aisle. Come on. And this is the reason why I wanted to come. Look at the rug selection at this place, y'all. Like seriously, they have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of rugs. You guys have no idea how excited I am to look at these beautiful rugs. So let's see which one we like. I know we're looking for a great one. I am like tiptoeing right now. I'm so extra, but we're looking for a gray rug. We're looking for a fluffy rug, and we're looking for something that will match the aesthetic of my living room. Just wanted to update you guys that I decided not to get one. I did not want to do an impulsive buy out here because the rugs are pretty expensive, no lie. But we are actually on the way to Ross, to another Ross, by the way. We're gonna go there and kind of see what options they have before I kind of do an impulsive buy here. The rug that I really like is almost like $200 or like $250. If you ask me, that's pretty expensive. So we're gonna see if we can save some money. I ended up going to another Ross and I did pick up a few things. I also found a rug. I was really into like a gray rug, and thankfully I found it for only $35 at Ross. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. Like I'm not 100% sure if I am, but I just wanna kind of play around with my living room and see if it would get me like a new look or something. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. I also got this throw blanket. I really wanted a light gray one, so I got that. I saw this at Ross right when I was leaving. I picked up a few treats for Penny, and I got this. And this is so interesting because no lie, I have actually seen this on TV, I think. And I don't know, I just always wanted to try it out, and I just saw it randomly just hanging there. And this is called the reusable pet fur remover with self-cleaning base. And I guess the brand is Hurricane Fur. No, that's not the brand. That's like the name of it. Hurricane Fur Wizard Pet Fur and Lint Remover. I mean, if you ask me, it looks pretty nice. Like you use it to remove like your pet's hair. Like you can use it for your couch, for your clothes, and like other stuff. I mainly picked this up to use it on my couch because my couch is like velvety. So every time like Penny gets close to it, or just like in general, like her hair is all over my couch. It says it is great for furniture, clothing, carpets, linens, pillows, fabric, car seats, and more. And it comes with like a travel size. I guess this is like the full size and this is a travel size. But anyway, I'm gonna try this out, okay? Because I'm excited. I always wanted to purchase like, you know those like pet vacuum thingies that they sell, like they're very small. But every time I run into one, it's like $60, $70, and I'm not about to spend that much just to remove pet hair. So when I saw this for only, let me show you guys, I'm not kidding. This was only search $99. Yes, by the way, I need a filler on my nails. I'm gonna take them off today. Look, it's so cute. It's so small. Oh my God. How do you work it? I don't know. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. How do you work it though? Like, do you just use it like this? Let me see. This is a big instrument. Read all warnings and instructions before using product. Injury can result. Yeah, okay. 1, brush in the same direction as the arrow to remove pet fur and slide brush in and out of case to clean brush. When the case gets full, simply open the cover on the bottom of the case to remove pet fur. I'm gonna show you guys how my couch looks when there's a lot of hair. So I think this will be like the perfect test for this little guy right here. You guys see all this hair? Literally, there is hair everywhere on my couch. And Penny is not even allowed on the couch. So this is insane. Like, just her being around, this is how much hair I accumulate around here. And it said to follow the arrow, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna focus on Penny's hair here, and let's do this. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know where to start. Okay. And like this. Oh my God, you. Oh my God. Did you guys see that? Look at this. Wow. Oh my God. Why am I so excited about this? I cannot with myself. Okay, let's do it one more time. Oh my God, this is going to calm my anxiety so much. Girl, this ain't for you, girl. This ain't for you, girl. This ain't for you. One more time, guys. Look, there's hair everywhere. I actually zoomed you in all the way so you guys can see. Look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I am so excited. This was only $6. It does get a little messy, but it says like if you dip it on the thing. Wow, y'all, it's clean. I've been cleaning since I got home, and I've been cleaning like nonstop, and I'm not even done. I'm not even halfway done. I finished with my living room. I don't have a vacuum, so I had to like broom everything and like sweep. The new rug kind of disappoints me because it's not as big as the last two. The ones that I previously had were like 5 by 7, and this one's like smaller than that. I kind of like the look. Like, I'm not mad at it, but I don't love it. I think I need like a cute little centerpiece or something. I'm not sure. So here is my vanity area. I don't have any brushes right now, so that is why it looks kind of empty, because I'm gonna wash all of my brushes tomorrow. But it is now so clean, guys. Like, this table was so dirty. Like, it was almost disgusting. So I'm just so happy that I got to clean it. And when I say I am cleaning my brushes, I mean it. Like, I am cleaning all of these brushes because they're disgusting. So I decided to change my little sectional area thing. I decided to change it on this side rather than have it over there. I don't know, it kind of like brings out the lamp a little bit more, because I feel like the lamp was like always in the back hiding, and I feel like now you can actually see it, and it just looks like, I don't know, it just looks a lot more cozy this way. And I really do like the rug. However, like I mentioned, it is a little bit smaller than what I would expect. I mean, it's not too bad. Well, obviously it looks kind of weird with the cans, but just kind of like, yeah, ignore that. But I feel like I'm missing something here. I want to put like a little cute centerpiece, maybe, I don't know, like something cute right here, very small. Look at Penny over here. She's just chilling. She has been seeing me clean all night. She's like, Mommy, I'm tired. Say hi to Mommy Beauty Babes. Okay. They're saying hi to you too. I didn't get to end the vlog, but I am ending it right here, right now. I love you guys so much, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one.